But originally when it was in 1980,
Oh, it's very big, isn't it? Oh. Oh.
Right, well, how are you everybody? Hope you're all safe, hope you're all well. You join myself and Red, currently leaving Milton Keynes. I know, right? What's happening? Today we are off to Stratford upon Avon for the Kawasaki Vulcan Bomber meet. Now, obviously I've tagged along, you know, Red's good friend and all, but I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully it's going to be an awesome day, see some fellow Vulcan S riders from Red's perspective, but yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the Vulcan Bomber. I don't know anything about the Vulcan Bomber, apart from recently it had a bit of an accident. It overshot a runway. It wasn't taken off or anything like that, it just overshot a runway, and thankfully came to a stop in a grassy verge before entering a major road. So yeah, that'll be interesting. The place where the plane is stored have been quite nice with Red and said no, don't worry about it, that's lovely, that little classic car, awesome. Yeah, the place where the plane is stored have been awesome, and they've said no, don't worry about what you've seen in the news, we're still having people round. The plane isn't too badly damaged. I'm sure it will go into a restoration period anyway, fairly soon. So yeah, enough waffling. Let's go.
Close your eyes.
Right, so we've arrived at the first destination, which is just the meeting point for Red's Vulcan S ride, and there does appear to be a Vulcan S owner, so that's always nice. Hopefully more will turn out. Oh, Red, why don't you make your bike sound like that? This is what an Uncle Red ride and meet looks like. It's dysfunction, it's disorganised, it's chaos, it's everything you expect. Whilst he just sits over there, or stands over there like Peter Parker, taking photos of me. He doesn't ask for consent. Consent means nothing to Red. Wait, I've got to be careful what I put on the internet.
Close your eyes.
The Avro Vulcan Bomber, the most famous of the British V-bombers,
was operated by the Royal Air Force from 1956 until 1984. The nuclear-capable aircraft boasts 4 jet-powered engines and is constructed using over 100,000 different components, including 14 miles of electrical cable and enough sheet metal to cover almost 2 football pitches. Don't practice the emergency exit now, Red, it ain't the time.
I'll do well to remember that one.
Grab hold of any handles you can find, as long as they're not black and yellow striped, because if they are, you might find yourself 150 feet in the air.
If necessary, the Vulcan could be started in just 27 seconds and could be airborne within 2 minutes of a squadron scramble, with a crew always being on hand and ready to go if needed. This aircraft and its crews were nothing short of brilliant. Let me play you a little recording from a former crew member on just how close the crews were.
That's me on the right. That's Sam the nav radar, Bob our captain, Martin the AEO, Brian the co-pilot. We last flew together 52 years ago, and apart from Bob the captain, the other 4 of us are still the best of friends.
Oh, fantastic.
Bob actually died 4 years ago, and the 4 of us carried his coffin in. You know, you're that close as a Vulcan crew. We spent 4 years doing everything together. We still reckon, even now in these days, we could still walk into a restaurant and order for the others. You know, you got to know each other so much like that. Yeah. Somebody once reckoned that being part of a Vulcan crew was like marriage without sex. And, I have my doubts about a few of the other crews on the squadron, but we won't go there. In fact, until about 10 years ago now, Sam and myself both owned narrowboats, and we had them moored side by side in the same marina. And once a year, we used to get all 5 of us with our wives, and we used to clear off for a week on the 2 boats.
Nice, fantastic.
We used to go and
That's
we used to terrorise the Grand Union.
Oh, that's nice.
No, it just just to illustrate how close we got.
Seeing the Avro Vulcan Bomber up close and personal was just incredible. And hearing all about the history of this aircraft, the mechanical engineering behind it, and the tales of how the crews operated these bombers was a truly humbling experience. During our visit, I got a bit emotional, as it served as a great reminder of some of the sacrifices that have been made involving this aircraft. From fallen crews in battles to the countless hours of maintenance and development, my gratitude towards those brave servicemen and women cannot be shown enough. I want to take this moment to thank the staff at Wellesbourne Mountford Airfield who look after and maintain this wonderful aircraft. Your service, humour and hospitality made this experience even more memorable. Thank you.
So guys, there we have it. The Vulcan Bomber, just a true work of art really, and a lovely majestic story, and everything with the crews. Do you know what, I don't even want to say much. I really don't even want to say much because I don't want it to spoil what's already been said or to ramble on too much. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, why not subscribe?
Watch it, like and subscribe, smash your like button.
Basically everything he said, but make sure you you also leave a comment as well, because I do love to hear from you. Right guys, that's going to do it from me. Uncle Red, Sprinty Triumph Sprint, Vulcan Bomber, highlight of the show. Take it easy guys. I hate you.